Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you are all fine, enjoying life well. Today we are taking a closer look at how you can transform your space with the magic of indoor plant. Whether you have a green thumb or just starting out, these plant decor idea will create a fresh, stylish and relaxing environment. Let's dive in. First on the list we have hanging plant, a fantastic way to add greenery without taking up floor space. You can hang planters from the ceiling in your living room, kitchen, or even in your bathroom for a chic, modern touch. Viewers, if you want more information about plant ideas and how to decorate your home with plant with the help of plant, then viewers leave the comment below. I will upload ideas about plants and I will tell you that how to make these type of designing ideas worth it. Trailing plant like strings of pearls, pothos, or ivy are perfect for creating a cascading effect. You can use macrame hanger or modern geometric planters for an extra dose of eye. Next up, let's talk about plant shelves. Adding a few floating shelves to any room allow you to display multiple plants without crowding your surface. Mix and match different plant size and species like succulents, ferns, or small potted palms. For a creative look, you can also add some decorative item like book or candles to balance out the greenery. This is a great way to create a cozy plant corner in your home. If you want to make a big impact, consider adding a statement plant to your space. Large indoor plant like fatal leaf figs, monstera, or a bird of paradise can act as living art piece. Place them in a beautiful woven basket or a ceramic planter for added texture. Position your statement in a blind corner and let it become the focal point of the room. For a more structured look, plant stands are a great addition to any space. These allow you to elevate your plant at different heights, giving more dimension to your plant decor. Choose from minimalist metal stands, natural wooden ones, or even tire stands for a layered effect. You can use a plant stand to showcase multiple pots, create an eye-catching display in any room. Looking for a low maintenance way to add plant to your decor? Try a windowsills garden. It's perfect for herbs, succulent, or small indoor plant that thrive in natural light. You can use small ceramic pot or matching planter for a clean and uniform look. Not only does this bring life to your windows, but it's also functional if you are growing fresh herbs like basil, mint, or rosemary. Another trendy way to incorporate plant is with terrarium. These little glass container holds a mini garden that both decorative and low maintenance. You can create your own by layering sand, rock, and soil, then adding small plant like succulent or air plants. Place your terrarium or a coffee table, bookshelf, or desk for a touch of greenery in any room. If you're short on floor space, try wall-mounted planters. These planters can turn a plain wall into a lush vertical garden, from sleek modern metal plant to rustic wooden boxes. These are plenty of styles to choose from. Plants like vines, small ferns, or even herb work well for this type of display. A vertical garden can be a beautiful focal point in your living room, kitchen, or even outdoor on a patio wall. Don't forget your bathroom. Humidity-loving plants like bamboo ferns or peace lilies can thrive in moist environment of a bathroom. Place them on a shelf or a sink to instantly make the space feel more relaxing. You can even try a hanging eucalyptus bundle in the shower for a spa-like touch that also smells amazing. For a quick and easy decor idea, add a few tabletop plants. Smaller plants like snake plants, aloe vera, or mini cacti work great for this. Place them on coffee tables, side tables, or your work decks to add a pop of greenery. You can add a touch of your own personality into it by adding some your own style, whether it's boho, modern, or minimalist. One of the easiest ways to make your plant decor more impactful is by grouping plants together. Mix plants of varying height, textures, and color to create a dynamic look. A cluster of plants on a shelf or in a corner can instantly bring life and personality to the space. Grouping plants also allow you to create a mini indoor jungle vibe. That is for today plant decor idea. Whether you are going for a lush tropical vibe or a minimalistic touch of green plant or the perfect way to elevate your space, which idea was your favorite? Let us know in the comment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more interior inspiration. Thanks for watching and happy decorating. And if you